precision. The same ones who trained him, now they call him a threat. Cause he won't take orders from the IMF. He said no to the puppets, no to the game. Now they try every tactic to tarnish his name. They control the media, control the story. They're afraid of a leader who don't chase the glory. They say cool like a chant, but who really plot? Who's plot? Check who benefits. That will tell you a lot. They fear a free Africa, they fear a bold man. They fear the truth more, got a gun in hand. If you love your people and refuse to sell, then they will try to send you straight to hell. Africa, fight. Africa, fight. Africa, fight. Traore move with purpose, his eyes on the land. He speak of the farmers and the working man. He cut out the lychees, they call it a crime. But it's them who've been robbing ours time after time. Traore is standing tall, but for how long? They planning in shadows to silence his song. Just like Sankara, they plot